Every day, I think about the scale of what we're doing here in Saskatchewan.
It's about building the future.
BHP Billiton is a leading global resources company. As part of our strategy for long-term growth, we are safely developing the first conventional greenfield potash mine in over 40 years. Currently in feasibility and subject to board approval, the Jansen project is located in Saskatchewan, Canada. The province of Saskatchewan has about 50% of the world's known potash reserves, running underground for hundreds of kilometers. Enough potash to supply global demand for several hundred years. BHP Billiton has significant land holdings here, access to over 14,500 square kilometers. The Jansen mine site is perfectly positioned over this important resource.
Potash is to Saskatchewan what oil and gas is to Alberta. Jansen will be the world's biggest potash mine when it's completed. And it's a challenge to all of us to deliver something of this scale that will last 70, maybe 80 years into the future. It's just a massive undertaking.
At BHP Billiton, safety is a core value. It's in everything we do.
In the Jansen project, technology like 3D seismic is being applied in new and innovative ways, and on an unprecedented scale, giving mine planners the ability to optimize safety and efficiency as they lay out the mine. At the Jansen mine site, underground aquifers exist at depths of 470 and 680 meters. Before excavation, freeze pipes are installed around each mine shaft location.
What these pipes do is essentially freeze sections of the aquifers, creating a giant circular waterproof seal. We can then continue to excavate safely with workers and equipment in the area.
With the freeze pipes and shaft collars in place, a state-of-the-art shaft boring machine developed by Heron Connect excavates the mine shaft with improved safety and speed. The boring machine uses pneumatic conveying technology to lift cuttings to a loading pocket arrangement where they are placed into sinking buckets for transportation up to the surface.
It's safer and it's quicker. Each of the shafts is 1,000 meters deep. That's equivalent to 3 Eiffel Towers stacked one on top of each other.
1 kilometer down, a technique similar to long room and pillar mining will be used with added modern improvements. Equipment customized to suit local conditions will dramatically improve efficiency. Larger 2-rotor borers will mean each machine only needs to do 2 horizontal passes rather than the traditional 4 passes in each long room to mine the complete wall.
This ensures among the highest productivity levels in industry, at the same time allowing us to safely use the retreat mining method.
Over the course of the next 70 years, we'll mine an area of some 600 square kilometres. That's equivalent to the area of a city like Toronto, except that it's 1 kilometre underground.
Mined ore will be hoisted up the production shaft to the surface. A service shaft will transport people and equipment while also maintaining hoisting capacity.
The permanent head frames over the 2 shafts will be 115 and 97 meters tall, making them among the tallest structures in Saskatchewan.
In the nearby processing plant, potash will be separated out from the mined ore, compacted, screened, refined, and stored in preparation for transport to market. When complete, these processing plants will be amongst the largest and most advanced in the world. A new generation of rail cars, which can be continuously loaded and unloaded without manual intervention, will speed up load times and work as part of a seamless integrated logistics chain, taking the refined potash by rail from mine to port and ship.
The port has been designed specifically to receive the Jansen trains, and the rail cars have been designed specifically for the Jansen operation. So the trains, in fact, don't stop. They move slowly through the system, load and unload the potash.
Over the life of the mine, we will fill enough rail cars with potash to circle the earth almost 2 times.
During the building phase, up to 2,500 construction workers will be housed in an on-site accommodations facility called Discovery Lodge, the components of which can be dismantled and moved to another mine site once work here is complete. The Jansen mine will stand as a model for BHP Billiton as it works with Saskatchewan to safely build for long-term growth and a prosperous shared future.
Jansen will be the world's biggest potash mine when it's finished. It's sitting in one of the richest potash basins in the world. It's a mixture of conventional and innovative design work. And our aim is to make it the safest, most productive mine in the world when it's finished.
The use of technology means we're going to build a bigger, better, and safer mine.